Hi everyone, this is my Capstone project, and in this I have done a weather app. Okay, let us go with the for my code. This is my Node.js file. In this I have used Express and password hash, EJS, body parser, Axios, and Firebase admin as a database. And these all are the packages, and we have to install them. So let us see. I have already installed these things, and now I'm executing this program. Node project, yeah, and we get the server started. So see this. All these are the messages what I want, and that I printed in the console log. Okay, and now the server started because I have and used this app.listen in the 3000 port. So let us see my working of my website. Okay, go through this. We have to use the local host 3000. Yeah, this is my home page. And first of all, let's sign in um, with an account. Let us think ABCD as my first name and EF as my last name. And the mail is abcd at the rate. And when I was entering my password, submit, and I get into the login page. Let's see in my Firebase. Uh, See, these are the email and password that I have entered now in the sign in page. And here, password is encrypted. This is because I make use of this password hashed. And now, let us log in with the same email and password which I have given in the before run. And I have given ABCDS here. And password is this. And submit. Yeah, this is my dashboard. And this is a weather app. So when I enter a city and go on submitting on search button, I get Hyderabad here. So let us see this in the console. You get us Hyderabad here, and when you click on temperature, you get this is 25 degrees and humidity. All this works in the with the help of radio buttons. This is UV radiation, that is of 1. Okay, this is the working. So let us go with the code step by step. And I have explained this before. These are the packages what we have used. And we use get and post here uh, to get some to work with the Node.js. So these are the routes, sign in, submit, and all these things. This is a sign in, submit route which I have used in this sign in.html. See this here. And I make use of post to encrypt my email and password. So, and I have created a collection in Firebase database, and I used filter here to make use of both email and password at a time to render them into the database. And if and I have initialized a docs variable, and if doc size is greater than 0, then we get all this email and password are already exist. So when a person try to sign in or log in with the same password or email again and again, we are not going to give them authorized, and we are asking them to give it another mail. So mm, this password hash, this is used to encrypt our password. And now coming to this login submit, in this thing I make use of this password hash verify method, which takes two arguments called request body password and data password. And this is to check our our email and password which we have given in sign in page and also in login page. If both are same, then it's going to give us message in the sense it's going to render a file called weather.ejs. So, and the API which I have make use is this weather API from from the website called weather API, and I have rendered these temperature, humidity, wind, and UV from the JSON which was provided in the API. And this from weather.egs we are going to initialize. Here we initialize the variable city temperature, humid wind speed, and UV radiation. And now in this post we were saying them to when the city comes in the EJS file. See this is my EJS file. Here, when there is city, let's search where is the city. Yeah, here we find this city. When there is city in EJS file, then we should replace it with the data that we find from that we have taken from the JSON from the API. So to work with radio buttons, I also make use of this script, and in this I wrote this all these things, and I make use of this radio buttons and query selector. And again, sorry, this is not necessary. Okay. And when there is a mistake occurs, then we can definitely um, catch the error in the console. So in this way, I done this project, that weather website, which is very easy, and we can also make use done any type of things. Okay, thank you.